Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to move, resize or edit handwritten notes in Goodnotes, the Lasso tool is one of the most powerful features, giving you full control over your content. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to use the Lasso tool in Goodnotes in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, select the Lasso tool. So open your notebook or PDF, tap the Lasso tool. Okay, as you can see here we have many options, so you can just look for the lasso between these options. Okay, so you have here, for example, lasso, tap it. Okay, so now draw a circle around the contents you want, so make sure the shape is full or fully enclosed. Okay, so for example this. Okay, selected contents will be highlighted, as you can see. So move the selection, so tap and hold inside the selected area, okay, and drag it anywhere on the page. Okay, so reorganize your notes easily. Okay, you can also resize or rotate, so tap the selection, use handles, corners to resize, for example, if you want. So you have here corners, you have everything. Okay, adjust layout without rewriting. Okay, so you can copy and paste too, so tap the selected content and choose copy. Okay, and tap elsewhere and you can paste it. Okay, so as you can see here, it duplicates notes instantly. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.